come into our room in the Carmella Boutique. We're on the 4th top floor. It's a brand new hotel that just opened 2 months ago. So this is a little hallway with 4 rooms. And here is our beautiful, I'd say that's definitely a king size bed, if not a super king. We've got a lovely television over here. Full size mirror, which is quite unusual for a room in Israel. Actually incredibly unusual. Lots of lights, we haven't lit them yet. But the fixtures and fittings seem very nice. Lovely freshly made bed, which I don't have at home. We've got a little sofa. Very nice glassware, I have to say. There's a little writing desk. Over here, we have a little cupboard, lovely Nespresso, some complimentary biscuits, dried fruit, nuts, nice little touch. Trash, Nespresso machine, fridge, and complimentary minibar that must be in here. Oh, complimentary minibar. I think Heineken and a few juices that Sean might take advantage of later. Beautiful orchid plant. Here we have a very nice cupboard. Definitely be comfortable for a couple to be staying here. Oh, it's a bit dark, sorry. And here, oh, is a lovely bathroom. I do like, you can hear Sean oohing and ahhing behind me. Nice big shower. You can see that shower head. Oh, and lovely old-fashioned bath. Sabon shell palm. Oh, hello. And a little bit of a view, not much, but I wouldn't want to stand up in that shower. I don't think anyone can see you. Anyway, that's the end of our little tour.